Are you getting the BLZBNTBGS00000002 error when trying to fire up Call of Duty Warzone or any other games on the battle.net launcher? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the BLZBNTBGS00000002 error in Call of Duty Warzone or any other battle.net games. So let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first right-click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Still getting the error? Change your DNS to an optimized one. To do this, first open up Command Prompt. If you can't find it, type CMD in the search bar and Command Prompt will come up. Click to open it. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Next, select Manual from here and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now you should be able to play Warzone or any other battle.net game without getting this error. So that's how you troubleshoot the BLZBNTBGS00000002 error in Call of Duty Warzone or any other battle.net games. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.